Hey guys, ACF here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these paper flowers. We need 2 square sheets of paper and a long strip of paper. I've taken a sheet of paper that's around 75 centimeters long, and the first step is to fold the sheet of paper in half. Now, make cuts along the paper as shown. Now, I'm going to roll this long strip of paper. Now I'm going to stick this edge. Let's give it some time to dry. Now bringing in our squared sheet of paper. I'm going to fold this squared sheet of paper in half. And I'm going to cut thin strips. Now open the sheet of paper. I've done the same thing with another colored sheet of paper. Now I'm going to glue this strip and this strip of paper. Now let's bring back the center of our flower. Now I'm going to fold it this way. I made the slit folding the paper this way. So I'm going to fold it in the opposite side now, like this. And I'm going to stick this down. Now I'm going to fold this strip of paper backwards, like this. Now we're going to bring back our center, and with the help of some glue, I'm going to stick this folded sheet of paper to the center. Now I'm going to fold the petals outwards. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more art and craft content. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget the notification bell.